Welcome viewers. Today we are going to discuss the basic knowledge of BCD and XS3 and the conversion of XS3 to BCD. As we know, XS3 is a code. BCD can be obtained from XS3 by subtracting 3, which is 0011 in binary. This figure illustrates that BCD is also named as 8421 code. From the right side, the weight of the first number is 2 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. The weight of the second number is 2 to the power 1, which is equal to 2. The weight of the third number is 2 to the power 2 or 2 squared, which is equal to 4. The weight of the fourth number is 2 to the power 3 or 2 cube, which is equal to 8. Now, we are going to convert a XS3 number into BCD number through an example. At first, we take 4-bit binary number 0, 1, 1, 1. Now, the 4-bit binary number is subtracted by 3. Minus 0, 0, 1, 1, which results in 0, 1, 0, 0 in BCD. In this way, we can convert an XS3 number into BCD. This figure illustrates the truth table of XS3 to BCD. Here we can see the left side represents XS3, where W is MSB and Z is LSB. The right side represents BCD, where A is the MSB and D is the LSB. XS3 is subtracted by 3 to obtain BCD, which can be done in every step. As we can see here, 0011 minus 0011 equals to 0000, and 0100 minus 0011 is equals to 0001, and so on. But when we subtract a number which is less than 3, then we get X, which is also called the don't care condition. When the cell has become empty, then it is filled with X. This figure illustrates the K-map of A. Whenever A gets 1 and the don't care condition X, the cell is filled by which the number is indicated by XS3 number. There are two groups of cell in A. This figure illustrates the K-map of B. Whenever B gets 1 and don't care condition X, the cell is filled by which the number is indicated by XS3. There are three groups of cells. The same procedure will be done for obtaining other K-maps. This figure illustrates there are two groups of a cell in C. This figure illustrates there is one group of cell in D. Now, the corresponding Boolean logic is implemented from the K-map, where A is equal to Wx plus Wyz. B is equal to X bar Y bar plus X bar Z bar plus XYZ. C is equal to Y bar Z plus YZ bar, and D is equal to Z bar. This figure illustrates the digital circuit of A, B, C, and D. W and X or W and Y and Z generates A. X bar and Y bar or X bar and Z bar or XYZ generates B. Y bar and Z or Y and Z bar generates C. Z bar generates D. In this lecture, we have learned XS3 and BCD code, XS3 to BCD truth table, XS3 to BCD logic implementation. With that, we are at the end of this lecture. In the next lecture, we will meet again. Till then, practice the relations repeatedly. Thank you and goodbye.